Hey creators, welcome to PX Mentor. Welcome to the future of AI voiceovers.
Yes, with Google AI Studio, anyone can create studio-quality audio.
Today, I'll show you how to create stunning voiceovers and dialogues using Google AI Studio, a free and powerful tool by Google. If you're a content creator, freelancer, or just exploring AI, this guide is for you. Google AI Studio is a free platform by Google where anyone can try powerful AI models without writing any code. Today, we'll use it for voice generation, both single speaker and dialogue-based. Go to ai.studio.google.com and log in with your Gmail account. Once inside, choose Native Speech Generation from the left panel. This is where you'll generate voiceover audio from any text. Choose Single Speaker Audio. Select a voice from the drop-down. You can pick male or female and different styles. In the Style prompt box, describe how you want it read, read like a narrator, or commercial tone. Then enter your script in the main text box. Finally, click Generate, and you'll hear your AI voiceover in seconds. Welcome to PX Mentor, your go-to source for AI tools, design workflows, and content creation tips. In this video, we'll show you how to use Google AI Studio to generate professional voiceovers without a mic. Whether you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or digital creator, this tool helps you bring your words to life. Just enter your script, pick a voice, and let AI do the talking. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to PX Mentor for more powerful tutorials like this one. Example styles: narration voice for a documentary, professional voice for an explainer video, energetic tone for YouTube intro. Choose multi-speaker audio. In the left box, write dialogue using names or speaker tags. Google AI Studio will assign voices automatically and split the audio like a real conversation. Welcome to the future of AI voiceovers.
Yes, with Google AI Studio, anyone can create studio-quality audio.
Here's how you can use these AI voiceovers: podcast episodes without recording, YouTube videos, shorts, reels, narration for presentations or explainer content, client projects and Fiverr gigs, educational content or training modules. All you need is Google AI Studio and your script. So stop waiting and start creating. Like this video? Subscribe to PX Mentor for more tutorials on AI tools, productivity hacks, and content creation strategies.